Good morning student, welcome to e-learning classes. Myself Ashok Kumar, Modern English School, New Area branch. Again student, lesson 1, number system, exercise 1F. Here student, question number 3 का second, root 2, the value of root 2 is given 1.414 and the value of root 3 is 1.732 and root 5 value is 2.236. Calculate 2 minus root 3 divided by 2. Okay student, so 2 minus root 3 divided by 3. Okay, so here rationalize 2 minus root 3 divided by root 3. Here is the root 3 is the irrational number, so root 3 is multiplied by numerator as well as denominator. Here 2 minus root 3 bracket close and root 3 is multiplied in both term divided by, here root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. Then if root 3 is multiplied here, so we can write 2 root 3 minus root 3 multiply root 3, so result is 3 divided by 3. So here student, put the value of root 3, that means 2 into the value of root 3 is 1.732 minus 3 divided by 3. So we can calculate here 2 into this value minus 3 divided by 3 and calculate it and find the answer. This is your final answer. Okay student, here question number 4 ka 4, find the value of A and B. This expression is given 5 plus 2 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3 is equal to A plus B root 3. Okay student, so 5 plus 2 root 3 divided by 7 plus 4 root 3. So always look at the denominator part, numerator divided by denominator. Denominator is 7 plus 4 root 3, that means 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by 7 minus 4 root 3 is equal to A plus B root 3. Okay student, so this value, that means first value, here 5 is multiply the both term, so we can write here 7 minus 4 root 3 and the second value is plus 2 root 3, so 2 root 3 is multiplied by the complete value, that means whole value 7 minus 4 root 3 divided by, here again this is the form of A plus B into A minus B, so we can write A square, that means 7 ka square minus 4 root 3 whole square, so A square minus B square is equal to A plus B root 3. Okay student, then after multiply the value, 5 into 7 is equal to 35, 5 into 7 is equal to 35 minus 5 into 4 is equal to 20 root 3 plus 2 into this value, that means 14 root 3 minus 2 into 4 8, 2 into 4 8, root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3, so 8 into 3 is equal to 24 divided by 7 ka square 49 minus this value is 48 is equal to, this value is equivalent to A plus B root 3. Okay, then after 35 minus 24, here is the result 11 plus minus 11 minus 6 root 3 divided by 1 is equal to A plus B root 3. So here student, rational number is equivalent to rational number and irrational number is equivalent to irrational number. So we can write here A is equal to 11 A is equal to 11 and b root 3 is equal to minus 6 root 3. So root 3 is cancelled, then b is equal to minus 6. This is your final answer. So we have two value, a is equal to 11 and b is equal to minus 6. Okay student, I hope student you will understand these two questions, 3 का 2 and 4 का 4. Okay, the next question is one number 7 root 3 minus 5 root 2 divided by under root 48 plus under root 18. So here 7 root 3 minus 5 root 2 divided by this value. This value can be written as root under 48. That means 16 into 3 plus under root 9 into 2. So 7 root 3 minus 5 root 2 divided by this value can be written as 4 root 3 plus 3 root 2. Because 16 can be written as 4 into 4, so 4 will be outside, so we can write 4 root 3, and 9 can be written as 3 into 3, so one value is outside, so 3 root 3. In this, after this case, we will rationalize here. 4 root 3, this value is, this sign is positive, so negative 3 root 2 divided by 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2. Okay student, here first value 7 root 3, first value is multiplied by the complete value. That means 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 and minus 5 root 2. Again this value is multiplied by the complete value. That means 4 root 3 minus 3 root 2 divided by, this is again the form of a plus b into a minus b, so a square minus b square, 4 root 3 का whole square minus 3 root 2 whole square. Okay, then after multiply the value, 7 into 4, 7 into 4 is equal to 28, 28 into root 3 is equal to 3. So 28 into 3, 84. So this value is equal to 84 minus 7 3 is 21 under root 3 into 2, root 6 minus again 5 into 4 is equal to 20, root under 6 minus and minus, the sign is positive, and 5 into 3 is equal to 15, 15 into 2 is equal to 30 divided by this value whole square. First of all student, you have to square the value of 4, that means 4 square is equal to 16 and root 3 whole square is equal to 3. So 16 into 3 is equal to 48. Here the value is 48 minus 3 का whole square is equal to 9. 3 का whole square is equal to 9. 9 into 2 is equal to 18. So finally 84 plus 30 is equal to 114 minus, both sign are same, minus and minus, so we have to add and put up the bigger sign, minus 41 under root 6 divided by 30. Okay student, so this is your final answer. Okay student, I hope student you will understand question number 6 का 1. Okay, the next question is question number 7. 7 का second, 1 divided by root 3 plus root 2. 1 divided by root 3 plus root 2 minus 2 divided by root 5 minus root 3 minus 3 divided by root 2 minus root 5. Okay student, if more than one term in this question, here is the first term 1 divided by this value, and this is the second term, and this is the third term. So here student 1 by each term means, suppose this value is the first term and this is the second term and this value is the third term. Okay, this value is the first term, this is the second term and third term. So first of all student, we have to solve the first term value, that means 1 divided by root 3 plus root 2. So first of all student, rationalize here root 3 minus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. So here root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 का whole square. Root 3 का whole square is 3 and minus root 2 का whole square is 2. So finally student, the first term value is root 3 minus root 2 divided by 1. Then finally root 3 minus root 2. This is your first term. Then after student, second term. Execute the second term. The second term is 2 divided by root 5 minus root 3. So again rationalizing root 5 plus root 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3. So here 2 bracket this value, that means root 5 plus root 3 divided by, this is again the form of a plus b into a minus b. Then we can write a square minus b square, that means root 5 ka square is 5 and root 3 ka square is 3. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, and 2 value and 2 value is cancelled. So the second term value is root 5 plus root 3. This is your second solution. And the last solution is, that means third term is 3 divided by root 2 minus root 5. So here again rationalize here student, root 2 here is the minus, then plus root 5 divided by root 2 plus root 5. 3 multiply root 2 plus root 5. 3 multiply root 2 plus root 5. 3 multiply root 2 plus root 5. Root 2 plus root 5 divided by, here is again form of a plus b into a minus b. So root 2 ka square is 2 and root 5 ka square is 5. That means 2 minus 5 is minus 3. So 3 and 3 is cancelled. But here is the negative sign. Here is the negative sign. So student, this sign will be changed like this. Root 2 plus root 5 divided by minus 1. That means we can write here minus bracket 2 plus root 5. Not here 2, root 2. Root 2 plus root 5. That means this negative sign in the upper value. Okay. So this is your third expression. And then after student, according to question. Okay. According to question, the first term expression is root 3 minus root 2. So put here root 3 minus root 2 minus. Okay. And the second expression is root 5 plus root 3. Root 5 plus root 3. Because the root 5 plus root 3 and the last value is minus. Here is the minus and this value is again minus. So minus and minus root 2 plus root 5 like this. Middle bracket. Okay. Then root 3 minus root 2, multiply minus sign in both terms. So here minus root 5 minus root 3 and here is the minus and minus is positive, that means negative and negative is positive. So finally root 2 plus root 5. Okay student, so positive root 5 and negative root 5 is cancelled. Negative root 3, positive root 3 again cancel. Negative root 2 and positive root 2 is cancelled, and your answer is 0. Okay student, जब भी आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन में 3 अलग अलग तरह का वैल्यू दिया हुआ रहे, जैसे कि मान लो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट वैल्यू, सेकेंड वैल्यू, थर्ड वैल्यू, तो हर एक को अलग अलग तरीके से सेपरेट तरीके से आपको सॉल्व करके वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है। और उसके बाद लास्ट में जब अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे, देन यू विल पुट द वैल्यू वन बाय वन इन प्लेस ऑफ रिस्पेक्टिव टर्म, ओके, एंड यू विल गेट द इजिली रिजल्ट. Okay student, I hope student you will understand question number 7 का second. So student, your homework is make exercise 1F, make exercise 1F 1 to 8. Okay student, this is your homework. Your homework is make exercise 1F question number 1 to 8. Okay, if you have any query, if you have any problem, ask the question.